What's up, y'all? I thought I'd just jump on here real quick to see what everybody doing and to give y'all some updates on what we got going on. But I'm just sitting here in the car just randomly thinking, about life, about the new year. We starting a new year, 2025 coming up, and about just how everything is moving, how where the world is shifting to right now. And you know what scares me the most? When it's you see a lot of people in your surrounding. Like we was going out to eat last night. A lot of people couldn't come with us because they just didn't have the money. And I'd be like, man, how many more years are you not gonna have $20 or $30 to go out to eat? Like, how many more years are you not are you going to be struggling during the end of the year? Because this is the year when they really try to hit your pockets. You got Thanksgiving, you got Black Friday and Christmas. This year right here, yeah, America really gets you on at the end of the year. But a lot of people, due to inflation, just don't got it. They just don't got it. I'm talking gas money. And I'm like, listen, at some point, you got to kind of think like, damn, how old am I? How long have I been going through this? How long have I have not not had gas money and money for food? And how long have you been in this financial funk? Okay, so I don't understand it. I'm literally I preach to the people that are in my circle all the time. If you in my circle, I'm preaching to you. I know I'm preaching entrepreneurship. You're probably tired of being around me because I'm gonna say something about entrepreneurship. This is truly the way out. This is the way to outpace inflation. You must learn how to add value to the marketplace. You got to. I just told my daughter the other day, you better start trying to sell some digital products or something. Sell some digital products, put yourself out there. Like, man, listen, I don't care how many jobs you get. These jobs are paying anywhere between $15 to $20 an hour on average. Now, I don't know if people are actually doing the math. I don't think people are doing the math because the math is not matching up. And it's to the point where you damn near, you gotta find a spouse to be the other half of the income. Because the mortgage in apartments are $3,000 a month now. Apartments, $3,000 a month. I done seen some of the raggediest apartment complexes at $2,000 a month for 2 and 3 bedrooms. Man, it's crazy. It's crazy. And I just want people to wake up. I just want people to sit back and be like, you know what? I'm sick of this shit. I'm starting a business. And I really truly feel like starting a cleaning business is the best business. I'm not the smartest person in the world, y'all. I dropped out in the 9th grade. I honestly feel like if I was able to start a business, I feel like anybody could do it if I could do it, because I don't feel like I'm a genius at all. No, I'm still trying to figure stuff out. But I was smart enough to know that the job thing that's not going to cut it. Not for me. Right? I needed to figure out how to build something, how to outsource and add value to the marketplace. How can I do that and get my time back? You see? Because, like, I was telling my daughter that even if you work and I give you enough accounts to clean from 9 o'clock in the morning all the way to 9 o'clock at night, yeah, you made you some good money, but you're still going to end up being unhappy. You know why? Because of your time. See, your time is more valuable than money. Time will always be more valuable than money because that's the only thing you can't get back. Anything you can't get back is very valuable. I can't get back yesterday. What happened yesterday is gone. I can't get it back. So this is what we are fighting for. When I still work from sun up to sundown, but I work from sun up to sundown for my damn self. And I could not work today on this beautiful Sunday. I could not work if I don't want to work. But I'm going to go to the office and I'm going to put in some work, though. And then after I put in some work, I'm probably going to work for about maybe 2-3 hours. Then I'm going to go take my kids out because it's supposed to be family day today. But I got to push it a little bit, push it to the limit, because I have some goals that I have to reach before Black Friday. Okay, so speaking of those goals, we got a couple of updates. A couple of people have been asking us about the workshops that we have coming up. I do have a workshop coming up January the 25th. That's the next workshop. January the 25th. That's a cleaning business masterclass workshop for people that are just starting in the cleaning business, don't have the right foundation, they don't really understand. Like, this is the best masterclass because we actually break down everything so you can understand how to run a cleaning business. And we touch on everything surface level, but it's a lot. It's like eating an elephant. After you get finished, you're gonna be like, damn, all right, I'm ready. You'll know whether you're ready to go full throttle with this shit or not, because we're going to just really give it to you on that workshop. But not only that workshop, but we got another workshop that's going to be coming up March the 29th. And that's going to be, we're going to bring in Serene Clean. If y'all don't know who she is, well, that's the name of her company. But her name is Stephanie Pickens. I did a few interviews with her. And I'm telling you, amazing speaker, man. She's awesome. She's gonna be coming and speaking on business, finances, and organizing. The business operations. Yeah, she's going to be speaking on that. And we're really going to dig in deep on that topic. So that's what that workshop is going to be about. For anybody that feels like they're not organized in their business, they need a little bit more structure. They need more information about how to operate the business. Like, we're really going to break that workshop down. And finances, most importantly. You ain't shit if you don't know your finances. So we're going to break that. We're going to go in details and break that thing down. And she's a special guest speaker in that one. And that's going to be March the 29th. So if you already came to any of the other workshops, you might want to get that ticket. I got early bird tickets going now. I don't know how long I'm going to have the early bird tickets for those, but go ahead and get your early bird tickets. Now, another thing that we got going on is I'm launching a new community on Friday, Black Friday, and we actually are getting off of the Mighty Networks platform and we're moving into the school platform. So I've been on the low. We've been building out our school platform and it's almost ready to launch. We got about 2 more days of putting more new courses in there and just kind of building it out. And then we're going to be ready to launch that on Black Friday. It's only going to be $15 a month. Yes, I got the price so low that you can't say no. Okay, we've been doing studies, and a lot of y'all jump on these subscriptions, $97, $197, and what we notice is a lot of people, if you got 1 and 2 and 3 subscriptions, you're gonna end up tapping out. You know what I mean? The lifespan of the 97 and the 197 is probably around about 4 to 5 months. And that's for the really, really strong, dedicated people. Then after them 4 or 5 months of you paying that, man, you tapped out of the community. So we got the price so low that you cannot refuse $15 a month. It's the same price as Netflix, literally. Not only that, but we're going to be going live in the community from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. We're going to do a morning meetup every single day, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay, and you got courses in there. And another thing about this new community is you can't come in here half-stepping. See, the school platform actually, they have it set up to where you have to engage in order to move up to the next level so that a course opens up for you. Okay, so we got over 32 courses in there right now. We're still loading it up with courses, but Some of the courses you will be able to see at the free level. At the level 1. But in order to see some of the courses, because you're going to look and you be like, damn, I want to see that course. You can't see it unless you are engaging in the community. Okay, so it's really cool. It's like a game that you got to play to get to the next level so that the new courses will open up. We're going to be doing cash prizes. We're going to be giving away tickets, all of that stuff. But you got to, this platform forces the community to do what a community is supposed to do. Okay, the other community was a little buggy. I was having issues with the Zoom in there. Like it was a lot going on. It was a little too busy and not easy to navigate. But the new community is a lot more simpler to navigate, and that's what I strive for. I don't like people hitting me up every 5 minutes confused about things. This one right here, I think we at home right now with this one. But I just wanted to jump on here, let y'all know what we got coming up. Stay tuned. Black Friday, we dropping that new community, and we got those workshops coming up. And yeah, that's all I got for y'all, man. Drop some comments down below. Let me know, y'all starting the cleaning business in 2025? Huh? Are y'all gonna be tapping in with tenacity 2025? Quit playing with yourself. I don't want to hear that shit in 2025 about you not having no gas money and not having no money to go out to eat. Damn. I'm out of here, y'all.